So here I'm gonna moisturize my skin before we go for any makeup products. So here I have taken this Pond's moisturizer. For primer, I have taken this Bobbi Brown's vitamin enriched face base, and I'm gonna concentrate this on my nose and around my mouth where I tend to crease. And for that dewiness on the rest of my face, I have taken this Wet n Wild's Dewy Primer. For color correction, I am gonna take my favorite NYX color corrector and I'm just gonna cancel out all the dark circles and dark spots on my face. For foundation, I have taken this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation and I'm just gonna apply this on all over my face. And for concealer, I have taken this L'Oreal Infallible again and I'm gonna apply this under my eyes and around my mouth only. And also I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the same concealer. I'm not gonna go with extra products like extra eye primer or anything today. And I will set all of this with this Airspun loose powder. And while I was shooting, this fellow just came to me. He comes every day and disturbs me while shooting or doing my stuff. So he was around and I just grabbed him. Couldn't leave him without kissing him, you know. I just love him a lot. By the way, this is Ruhan, my nephew. Alright, so let's concentrate on our work now. So here I'm just setting my under eyes with the same powder which I showed you. And also the rest of my face I will be setting with the same powder. For brows, I have taken this Etude House's drawing eyebrow and I wanted to keep my brows a little on a natural way, and as I had told you, this pencil does not do much for your brows, so I have taken this one and here they are. And after this, I have taken this Nicka K's Birthday Cake eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna take this shade right here from the palette for my transition. Next, I'm gonna take this pink shade from the palette and I will apply it right below the transition shade, as you can see over here, and while taking it inside, I will just blend it in circular motion. Next, I'm gonna take this darkest pink shade from the palette and I will darken my outer corner more further. I'm not gonna take it more inside, I'm just gonna concentrate on my outer corner. Then I will bring everything together with a clean blending brush right here, and after this I will be taking this Swiss Beauty's liquid eyeshadow. This is a very nice champagne shade, you guys. This is in the number 02, I guess. I will give you in description box, so no worries. And I will be applying this shade on 1/3 of my eyelid. And then with the help of this flat shading brush, I will just connect it with the rest of the eyeshadows. This is how it should look, you guys. And after this, I'll be taking this Maybelline's Drama Gel eyeliner and I will just create a eyeliner with it, and I won't be going with any wing or anything, just a normal eyeliner. Now I have taken this Color Bars All Rounder pencil in the shade Blue Topaz and I will just apply it on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take this very beautiful blue metallic shade from the same palette on this Color Bars shading brush again, and I will just smudge that kajal or liner out with this eyeshadow. Here I'm just cleaning if any fallout is there. And after this I have taken my favorite mascara. This is by L'Oreal, the Lash Paradise, and I will just coat my eyelashes with it. If you want, you can keep it like that because it looks beautiful as it is, but you know me, I'll be wearing falsies. So for falsies I have taken this red cherry lashes. I will give you the number in description, so check that out. So here they are. And for contour or bronzer I have taken this LA Colors palette, and I will just start bronzing up my face with it. For blush I have taken this Nykaa's palette in the shade Malibu Barbie, and I have taken the lighter shade from the palette and I will just apply it. As everything is pink in this tutorial, I have decided to use this Bobbi Brown's Pink Glow as a highlighter. You can see the glow. Oh my god, this highlighter is so beautiful, you guys. If you haven't bought this yet, just get yourself this one. This is very beautiful on any skin tone. Now to seal the deal, I have taken this micro fixer by PAC, and I realized that it is over, so I have to get a new one. And then for lip liner I have taken this lip liner by K Beauty in the shade Extra. For lipstick, what is better than Meher for a very nice everyday pink kind of a nude shade, and I have taken this Meher by MAC. And over the top of it, I'm gonna take this gloss by Wet n Wild. And then I changed to this beautiful traditional wear and these jhumkas, and then I just took this dupatta which was just refusing to stay on my shoulders. And yeah, here is the final look, you guys. I hope you all like this video as I did. I mean, I just fell in love with this look. This is very beautiful traditional festive look. You can wear this for any occasion like weddings or festivities, anything. Do comment down below, you guys, how did you like this video, and also like the video if you liked it. And yeah, also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that anytime in future I post a new video, you get a notification, you guys. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I will see you in my next video super soon. Till then, be safe, stay home, take care, and I love you guys so much. Bye guys.